Mansi Srivastava has called in. Mansi, how can we help you?
Hi, this is Himanshu. I've taken a flat in ATS Cocoon 100 and 109 sector, Gurgaon. I took it in. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
I took it in 2012, late 2012 at 3,800 per square feet. And I'm not in a hurry, so I just want to know till how long should I hold, and what is the expected return if I sell it in 2 years time frame? And what's your advice? Till how long should I hold?
Okay, Himanshu wants to know, he's bought into ATS Cocoon in 2012, late 2012, he says. Should he hold on to it? How long should he hold on to it? He's not in a hurry, Jayashree.
I think this is a bad time to sell, Kavita. Across the board, the markets are very slow. Consumers are not making a decision, and it's only the end users who are scouting around for good deals. Since you're not in a hurry, I would say hold on for at least another 2 years, because that's when the markets, we expect that the markets will become more buoyant. Some of the excess stock that is in the market will get absorbed, and you'll be able to get a much better rate. For anybody who doesn't need money right away, and please don't liquidate your property assets, because this is really not a seller's market at all. And ATS is a good developer. ATS normally develops, hands over on time, and performs better than the rest of the market. Now you will have to be a little more patient and hold on. I would say hold on to this property till the markets turn.
Now, Jayashree, Himanshu, of course, sounds like somebody who has invested and who's willing to wait for the market to turn around. But there are a lot of people in this market currently who are looking to upgrade, sell the existing real estate they have, the property they have, and then they want to buy something better, something bigger in a bigger township. What would you recommend they do?
If you get a buyer and you're not selling at a loss, which mostly I find that people have bought at a lower rate, and the values have either remained stable or they have gone up a little bit. If it is to reinvest your property, I would say sell now, because if you can get a good buyer. Sell now, because that money becomes your seed capital, and remember, the markets are flat and the markets haven't gone up in the last 2 years. The property that you want to buy will also be at values that you won't get tomorrow. So if you are planning to upgrade, I strongly recommend don't wait for the best rates for your existing properties. Go for the best rates for the property that you want to live in the future.
Right. I know we have Hansa on the line, but before we go to Hansa, very quickly, what is a decent profit in this market, Jayashree? Say I bought something for 100 rupees. What should I be ideally selling it at?
It depends on how long you've held, and it depends on how that particular market is performing. I have even queries I see where people are saying that I bought at a higher rate and it has fallen. Now, if you're losing money on a project, and don't sell it if you know that that market is going to go up. But if you can see that a huge amount of stock is coming up there, holding on till that stock gets assimilated, bought up, and then waiting for the market to go up, you may have to end up waiting for a long time. So be a little realistic. I know that if you're going to sell today and you don't get the best rates, it may pinch you today. But remember that the property that you're going to buy will also be more expensive tomorrow. So it's like a set off. I would say that if you bought at 100 and you can get about 120 also, you would do well to sell and buy whatever you want to stay in the future.
So 20% over and above the price at what you bought the property. If you're getting that in this market, that's a decent price to exit. If you are looking to sell, however, all said and done, not a good market for you to be selling your home.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.